Here's my workstation right now. This is like college all over again. Look at this place. This is a disaster. Oh, you want to see a real disaster place? Look at this. Garbage. This is my workout area. And usually you can like work out here. I need a desk that, okay, so obviously it's not going to be 96 inches because I have them angled in. So I need a desk 87 inches, so just over 7 feet of desk. I might have to build something. So we got the power strip mounted underneath. These guys are going to be cable management, so we can sneak wires down through here. Should be pretty good shape. Just trying to think about the hutch. I'm thinking about mounting the monitors up on the wall. I found some studs in the walls, and I'm thinking about mounting them up this way. So that's going to be cool, but remember, we got to hide the wires. So I got to figure out this, drop those into the wall and get them up to the Mac Pro. What do you guys think so far? Huh?
Checking out the floor.
Like, what happened in here? What is this hard floor? Or is this hard floor? It bounces now. Cool, right? We could play like hockey with your pacifier. Good job, boys. This really awesome. Job done. High fives. Yay! Good job, buddies. You're awesome helpers. Can you take Passies out and say hi?
Hi.
Hi.
You're gonna be on TV.
You guys are such good helpers. Oh.
OMG.
All right. Thank you. Okay. Good job. Wife, thank you for bringing Santa's little helpers.
Anytime.
Success. We have the monitors hooked up. We've got them all connected. I did, let's see, 2 mini display ports. Actually, it was full-size display port out of left and right into mini display port into the Mac Pro. And then this one was HDMI. It was pretty easy. So I have a little bit of a cable disaster here. I got to deal with this situation here. We're going to turn that and make it look. I think we're done, finished. Come on in, let me show you what we've done. A little cleaner in here. It's kind of not so much a college dorm anymore. So it's a little bit more functional, a little energy going through here, some technology. Come on in, I'll show you what we set up here. We got the stand-up desk, key. I'll talk to you about that here in a minute. Stay in shape when we're doing webinars. Keep the core going because we're sitting on our ass so many hours a day. The stand-up desk from Ikea is key. You don't have to spend thousands of dollars. They make a nice product. There's a 10-year warranty too. So if you want to sit down, go ahead and do this. I'm trying to do a lot more webinars and kind of, email, anything non-trading. I try to come over here in between my bookshelf. So right there, nice picture of bourbon. There's a story behind that. I just invested in an upstart bourbon distillery. I'll tell you about that. That's kind of fun. These little guys were a gift from Cindy Faber at Thinkorswim. She gave me these little guys who hang around in my lights. Monkey 1 and Monkey 2, just like my two monkeys. Big old American flag, and we stole this carpet from the kitchen upstairs. I think it kind of goes. Maybe we'll get something else. Here's the desk, and this is how it started. For the most part, I followed my plans. The Mac Pro didn't wind up going on the wall, and I didn't wind up with that contraption so much, but I did wind up with this piece from Ikea. And the lights are LED strips. They're kind of cheap, but they work really well. And they come with this very cool remote control where you can change the color to whatever you want. Red, green, blue. I'm actually teaching the boys their colors with this. It works pretty well. So what I did was I kind of just stuck them under the desk. Not very slick, but it works. Just like that. In terms of under the desk, there's a little, this is the remote control. Those are my Bose speakers, and the cable management, as I mentioned, is all done just up there. I gotta get some hooks on there to keep the cables kind of in. So there's a power strip up in there. There is a 3.0 USB hub in here. There's a mouse somewhere in here in case my wireless mouse dies in a trade or in a webinar. I can just go under here, grab that very quickly, and I've got a backup mouse. So all in all, the desk is pretty stable. Not bad. It doesn't wobble too much. That's the disaster that we're trying to hide. That's the subwoofer for the Bose speakers. This is all spare parts right here. This is the box for the mounting arms for the monitors. So I don't even know how to pronounce that. Articulating wall mount. Very good. This thing really doesn't move. I mean, there's no flex in this. I'm really pressing and there's nothing. So those are solid. I highly recommend those. And you'll remember the disaster that was this room. Looking much better now. If you're ever on a conference call with me and you hear kind of a loud banging in the background, I'm probably on my headset doing this. So as far as setting up the different monitors, the two main programs that I run right now are Thinkorswim and MotiveWave. So Thinkorswim I do use for charting as well as execution, and then MotiveWave I use for kind of the heavier technical analysis. I do use two other platforms as well, TradeStation and Dynamic Trader. I run them on parallels, but here, I'll show you kind of the layout here. So this is TOS, Thinkorswim. On the left monitor, I have a weekly chart, daily chart, and this is a 3-hour chart. Then the 1 hour, and they're all linked together. Okay, this little red one here and there, all links. When I click one of the symbols here, if I were to bring up the NASDAQ futures, that will populate all the charts. So pretty slick. Then I have my major markets, the different sectors that I look at, sector spiders, my personal watch lists, all those. Keep an eye on trades. That's my execution platform. And then that's my internals over there. The other platform that I use quite a bit is MotiveWave. So I'll just Alt-Tab on my keyboard there and pops up. Same exact layout. Weekly chart, daily chart, 3-hour chart, 1 hour chart, price quotes, and then I can execute over here if I want. Also, there's a few YouTube channels that I really want to thank for putting their work out. I got a lot of ideas from a couple key YouTube channels. I want to tell you about them, and then I'll link to those channels below. First is Lou over at Unbox Therapy. He's got a monster YouTube channel. His setup actually really inspired mine. I'll link you to his video below. He's got 3 of the LG curved, and that was really kind of my first idea. So thanks to Lou, he puts great content out. Other one, it was really good, is Alex over at Mars Bar Gaming. I'll link him below. He's got kind of a crazy setup. He gave me the idea for the LED lights as well as the crazy bullhead that we told you about. The other one I want to talk about is Ed over at Tech Source. He does these setup wars that are really awesome. A lot of different computer gamers, going to town on their setup, so he does really good work. And then finally, Mike Lebrano over at Nova Technology Reviews. He actually laid out the plans beautifully for the Ikea desk. So I'll link you over to his video as well, where he showed you more specifically how to do this. So thanks to you guys. If you guys have any questions at all about my trading platforms, the setup, the technology, anything at all, drop them in the comments below and I will try to answer every single one. All right guys, hope that video helps. Please hit that thumbs up button. If you're watching on the YouTube window, that really helps the content rise up. And if you'd like to subscribe, I'm going to put a lot more content out on YouTube. Hopefully it helps you out in your trading, gives you some ideas for the trading office. Thanks again guys, and we'll see you soon. Holy sh... Oops. That was a shank. How was your nappy? Good? Can you say hi, camera? Hi, Brody. Kids are running around in here. Reminder to... Holy sh...
Okay. Come on, Jake. We can't play here. Come on. Come on.
That was almost bad.